We're here in the matter of State versus Poe. This is case number 21 CF 10577. Mr. Jordan is present by Zoom. Mr. Boston, you're here representing Mr. Sykes. He's got two matters on the calendar. Case number 21 CF, correct that, three matters. Case number 21 CF 2533, 21 CF 10375, and 22 CF 7441. Are you standing in for counsel representing him on 3533 and 10375? Oh, I beg your pardon. She's right behind you. All right. Ms. Carey, I appreciate you being here. I'm going to look to Mr. Boston first. How are you proceeding today?
Mr. Sykes' case, we do have additional depositions that's taken. We did have a schedule that were canceled by me based on that were in the trial by posture. We rescheduled those, but those going to take several days of depositions and trial dates. Earliest would be December the 11th. Council submission those on Zoom. Works.
I show that in 10375, perhaps there was a continuance that I forgot about, but I show that we're set for jury selection in that matter on August the 21st.
That's his other case, Mr. Sykes.
Right, we've got it at conference.
Forgive me, I confuse them often. So, all right. To try the homicide.
Yes.
Yes. We can say the word, Mr. Boston.
December the 11th.
All right. December the 11th. State, is that acceptable to you?
It is, Your Honor.
All right. So the final pretrial would be December the 7th at 11 o'clock. And does that apply to Mr. Poe also? Mr. Jordan, nice to see you.
Likewise, Your Honor. Thank you. Good morning, Jonathan Jordan on behalf of Mr. Poe.
So with that said, Mr. Poe's remaining case, that's an acceptable date for you?
12/11. Yes, Your Honor. That does work for the defense.
All right. And again, 12/7 at 11 o'clock will be final pretrial. That's on Mr. Poe's remaining case, and on Mr. Sykes' homicide, that's the case ending 7441 for Mr. Sykes.
Then we need an intervening date, probably, I would say about 30 days.
We're gonna do that. I'm
Oh,
gonna
we're
check with
gonna-
I'm gonna check with counsel standing behind you about the other matters. Ms. Carey, nice to see you. I'll look to you. How are you proceeding today?
Your Honor, this matter, case number 10735 is the burglary case. That matter is set for final pretrial on the 17th and jury selection on the 21st of this month.
Right.
I have been negotiating with the state to try to resolve this issue. And I will probably be speaking Mr. Sykes after we do what we're doing. But at this point, Your Honor, we don't have anything solid. So I would assume that we are going forward with the trial.
All I'm doing then is passing it. It's a second-degree felony punishable by up to 15 years in prison unless it's enhanced. I don't know whether he's an HO or HVFO. I don't know whether he qualifies, but everybody needs to be aware that if that's a possibility, advice needs to be given. I'm going to move it on to final pretrial then on August the 17th at 11 o'clock. I'll look back to you.
Yes, Your Honor. There is a co-defendant in that case, Ms. Donetta Perry, and the Office of the Public Defender representing her. And that case is being tried together, from what I understand as well.
All right. I don't see granting a motion to join for purposes of trial, or did I? I'll look to the state.
Yeah, That was done. I think that issue's come up a few times.
I keep saying the same thing over. I've got so many notes on, here it is, right here. Motion to join was back in October. Anyway, regardless,
That's correct.
there are multiple co-defendants. Everybody's interrelated. We're trying to get them. Mr. Poe has already had his day in court on one matter. We're going to give him his day in court on the other matter. He's not, Mr. Sykes, I beg your pardon. No, Mr. Poe's also had his day in court on another matter. And Mr. Sykes about to get his day in court on this particular matter. They're both going to get their day in court on the homicide. And Ms. Perry's going to get her day in court as well. So all of them, everybody's going to come together and all of these pending cases will be resolved one way or the other. So with that said, in the case ending 100375, I'll pass that to final pretrial on 8/17 at 11 o'clock here in 508. That's for final pretrial. The other matter ending 2533 that's set for pretrial, I'll pass to the same date of 8/17, but it remains set for pretrial. That one's not yet ripe for trial. The other matter involving Mr. Boston and Mr. Jordan related to Mr. Sykes and Mr. Poe has been set for trial in December. I'll look to you, Mr. Boston. What is it that you would like as a meaningful pretrial date in order to accomplish what you need to accomplish in preparation for the homicide trial?
Realistically, Judge, I like to go to probably that third week, the September 18th or 19th.
State, do you agree?
That would be fine. I'm potentially in trial, but if I am in trial, then I will have someone stand in.
That's fine. Then what I'd do is I'd pass the matter then until September the 20th, 9. Mr. Jordan, is that acceptable to you for Mr. Poe?
I think that's a good idea, Judge. I know Mr. Boston's still taking depositions. If Your Honor recalls, he's trying to catch up because witnesses have already been deposed in our case before his client was charged formally in his case. So when he catches up, we together jointly have a handful of depositions left to take. So we're kind of stringing along while he finishes his discovery from those witnesses that our counsel has already deposed witnesses on. So just to apprise the court and make sure things stay on track, I think that September date is a good idea.
September 20th, 9 o'clock, 508 for both the defendant, Mr. Poe, and also for Mr. Sykes. And that's in case ending 7441 for Mr. Sykes. Anything further from the state, from the defense?
No, sir. Thank you.
Mr. Jordan, I say this gently. The dress code still applies when you appear by Zoom.
Of course, Your Honor, and I apologize. I actually left my jacket at home this morning. I absent-minded, but
I understand how that works.
that
Thank
won't be an issue next time, Judge, I promise. And it's good to see you. Thank you for permission to appear on Zoom this morning.
you, sir. Nice to see you also. Thank you all.
Same. Thank you.
Thank you.